My wife's 2021 Chrysler Pacifica just recently went over 100,000 miles, and here are all the problems we are dealing with. So currently there's 3 issues that we're dealing with my wife's Pacifica, and there was one big surprise we found out recently that we had no clue about. So issue number 1, and this is a small one, the windshield fluid sprayers, they have stopped working. They probably stopped working around the 85,000 mile mark. And it's a little bit of a nuisance, but nothing that I'm gonna really waste time trying to get fixed. So that is issue number 1 and the smallest of our issues. Number 2 is our back gate will just randomly open when we're around the vehicle. Like, it's just the weirdest thing. We'll be getting in the vehicle, my wife has opened up the side door, and suddenly the back gate will just pop open all by itself. We haven't, clicked anything or done anything, and it does this all the time. So obviously there's some electrical issues going on with it, but I'm not going to worry about that one either. And it's so far, and this has been going on literally from almost the beginning since we have bought this vehicle. Now let's discuss the biggest issue. So this side door does not work. And it was probably about 6 months ago when this quit working. And I have tried every little thing I've read online to just even get the door open to see if there's something in the track or anything like that, and it refuses to budge. I'm gonna bring it in this summer and finally see what's going on. I know I'll be lucky if this doesn't end up being just a huge cost for us. So that's why we've kind of put it off for a little bit, because I'm expecting anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000 to get it all fixed. Maybe it's something small, but yeah, this whole side door has completely stopped working, which you don't realize how much you get used to, like, especially when you have a van, of opening the side door just to put stuff in. So anyways, big issue. I really don't want to know how much it's going to end up costing, but it's something we got to get fixed. And the surprise, and we didn't learn about this till about a year ago, our 2021 Chrysler Pacifica, it does not have a spare tire. The spare tire should be in this area. And for whatever reason, Chrysler, Stellantis, they decided not to put a spare tire in a family vehicle. Of all the vehicles that should have a spare tire, a family van, you would think should always have a spare tire on it. So once we found out about that, we signed up for AAA right away, just to make sure if we ever have any road issues, you have some way to get things fixed. But yeah, surprisingly, no spare tire in a 21 Chrysler Pacifica. Now, with those issues that we're dealing with this, our 2021 Chrysler Pacifica, like I said, it has about 105,000 miles. It has been great. We have driven the wheels off this thing. Just recently I've stopped taking it on our big trips. My wife still uses it as her daily driver for going back and forth to work, and we use it for small trips. But as far as like going to Florida and things like that, we've stopped just because, with over 100,000 miles, I feel like we're kind of testing the limits now a little bit. But it has been a great vehicle. It's been, super smooth drive. Very comfortable for the whole family, and I'm sure once we finally get rid of this one, my wife will probably want another minivan again. So anyways, these are the issues we're dealing with our 2021 Chrysler Pacifica. If you have one and are dealing with different things, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear what I might have to be dealing with later on down the road. And otherwise, yeah, thank you for watching.